Hi, this is Jim Romano with the Elite Home Sales Team at RE/MAX Professionals. So excited to be coming to you from our newest listing at 9657 Sunset Hill Drive. It's located in the prestigious neighborhood of Heritage Hills, which is a gated community in Lone Tree. This two-story, over 4,000 finished square foot home has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, walkout basement, mountain views, and has been beautifully updated. Let's take a look around, shall we? As you can see, this is an incredible property, and the neighborhood features 2 pools, tennis, clubhouse, park area, and tons of activities throughout the year. Houses like this just don't last very long. This one is priced to sell quickly at $1.3 million, and we're gonna have an open house this Saturday from 12 to 2. Feel free to come by, and if that doesn't work for you, reach out to me and I'll set up a private showing for you.